Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell my topic. My name is Purba Das. I am coming from Bagnan. Now, I want to share a topic with you, which is how I spent Diwali this year. So, some days ago, uh, মানে দিওয়ালির কিছুদিন আগে দিওয়ালির কিছুদিন few days ago of Diwali, we decided that we just brought some. We will buy some diya, some diya, not candles, diya, and my mother agreed with us, and we collect the money, and then we went to market. I and my sister went to market, and there was only one shop where the diya, many type of candles, and many type of hanging diya available. So uh, when we went there, we became too much confused because of which one to buy. So it takes lot of time to buy just one kind of diya. So then we just finished our shopping, and we just মানে বাড়ি আসার জন্য we just started coming back in our home, but at that time the shopkeeper again called us, and when we again went to there, he told us that there is a diya which is নতুন কিছু, yeah. So he just show the diya, and when we just saw the diya, we fall in love with this diya. Why? Actually, this is a hanging diya, and there was lots of design. Actually, you know, there is some kolka design, and মানে কি বলে ওগুলোকে ঝালর, মানে নিচে মানে yeah. So it was too much beautiful, and we just brought, yeah. So I don't know why I brought that, because there was no place in my home where I just hang the diya, but we just brought. Then we come back in our home. So the next day we uh, কি বলবো মানে প্রদীপগুলোকে জলে ভেজানো, put it into the water, all the candles in the water. Then on that day, on the day of Kali Puja, uh, at evening, we just started pouring the oil in the diya, and then we just started মানে জ্বালানো, burning, lighting, lighting. Then we just lighting diya, and my at that time my mother off all the light of our house, and then I বাড়ি থেকে বাইরে বেরোনো, come out from our home and click a picture of my home. That's the I'm there. Actually, there was a obsession. So I take a picture and send to my father, and then I dressed up and take. ও 14 শাক, ও সেদিন তো 14 প্রদীপ না কত প্রদীপ জ্বালতে হয়. Then after that we dressed up, and and we take so many pictures of us with Dia. Yes, yes. So I take so many pictures, and unfortunately, it all was too beautiful. So then we visited some pandals in our village. In our village, there was 5 or 6 puja was held. So we saw all the idols, and in one pandal there was they distribute the bhog prasad. Yes, khichuri. So there this was too much tasty actually. So we uh, we just ate the prasad, and then we came back to our home, and then we started মানে বাজি ফাটানো, burning the crackers, and my sisters, and there was my some brothers, about 10 or 12 members were there, so all together. And I just sat in a chair and I enjoying the moment, because of there was a last memory, yes, last year experience, so that's why I became scary. So I didn't burn any type of crackers. So this is the way I yes, for just a picture. So this way I celebrate celebrate Kali Puja. Thank That's all. Thank you.